Hi guys, welcome to Tamina's World. So today we have come to well, we've gone Hi guys, so we are at Yatteyattah. We're going to go on a waterfall trek kind of thing.
Yatteyattah Waterfall.
Yeah, so we're going and we're walking through extremely long grass.
What's that guy, snake? Oh man, I'm probably likely to tread on one.
What's that noise? Oh, it's a mini horse!
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, look at it!
That's a pony.
Zoom in on that.
That's a pony. Tiny horses are called ponies.
No, they're not ponies.
They're
They're
miniature pony.
They're miniature.
Horses.
Yeah. Look, Tamina's gone over the fence. She's. Here, KZ, you want to have a go at the camera?
Yeah. Seriously.
Look over the cow poop. Who you want to have that?
Are we there yet? Are we there? This is gonna take a long time. You stop saying poo, Pookie.
You're not filming anything, mate. You look pointing at the ground.
Like that.
Oh my god.
Who's like that?
Yeah. Exactly.
No, we're
So
looking.
much poo. This is going to be called like the poo trek.
Tamina, after when you get over this, there's not going to be any more carpet.
Oh, it's stinky. And I got a bug flying around me. Where are we at?
We are there, and walking track goes to there and goes to there where the waterfall is.
No, that's where we parked the car.
Yeah.
You want me to go up the front just in case there's a snake?
Yeah.
You just gotta keep an eye out for snakes look like sticks.
Like snake?
So in Australia, if you're not from Australia, we have snakes, and we have a lot of deadly snakes, like the red belly black snake, the king brown snake, and brown snakes. We got black snakes.
Death adders?
Yeah, we got death adders. So it's pretty dangerous, but it's winter here, so which even though the sun's out and we're in shirts, it's actually sunny, and we don't know whereabouts we're going, but
I think we're supposed to go straight towards this
we're just following Darren,
and then we
and we'll probably get lost and die out here.
Oh, I'm freaking out a little.
Really? We'll be right.
Because obviously it is sunny, so snakes just don't disappear.
No, they hibernate.
Yeah, and wait for it to get hot and then bake in the sun. Oh, where do we go? Alright, let's go back. We're going back and then we're going to go down.
Right, let's go.
Luke's going back.
Whoa, watch out with that
Jesus,
stick.
you nearly hit us with a stick. Yeah.
So we're going back this way. We're going back because I think we went the wrong way, but we're going to go the other way, and hopefully we will be in the right direction.
I think that's what the fuck was. I think that's where we're going to go. We're going to go down the fence line.
Yeah, the fall's right there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. We'll probably die out here and starve. So we are at the power lines, and we are meant to follow them down here, and hopefully we find a waterfall. Maybe.
Crikey, do you hear that? It's water. It must be that way. We can't see nothing yet, but we can hear water.
So we'll just keep on walking. So these are the little river that we found. Pretty. Nothing's trying to grab onto there.
Where do I go down?
Yeah, keep going over that way towards that tree. Yep. Sure. Isn't there? Hold on to that rock over there with your hand. Tamina?
Someone's gonna get fucking hurt, I tell ya. And it'll be your fault. Go on, just stay there too.
So we're going to go all the way down there. Jump here, guys. Come across there.
Oh my god, this is a bit scary.
The falls. We went the wrong way. We skipped all the other cars.
Yeah, look at that down there.
Looks like a jungle. Wow.
It is, isn't it?
We've never been down there. So we're at the falls now.
Wow, look how dark it is down there.
Oh, it's scary looking, isn't it?
Looks like something out of a movie, eh?
Like gorillas or something. Like we're gonna see, like, what is it called? A yowie. Like Bigfoot.
Daddy, did you bring any more food?
G'day there.
It's so pretty.
We are higher here.
I know, we're pretty high.
It is safe, guys! Good walk.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! I didn't have the sound! That only made the sound.
So we were meant to go down the bottom of the waterfall, but we ended up here. That's so pretty. Looks cheeky sitting on the step there. This sexy spunk right here.
What's a yeti? Looks cool over there, eh? No, you wouldn't go swimming. Yep.
No way. I'm just swimming that.
There'll probably be pythons in there.
Maybe platypus.
What?
There's probably some platypus in there. There.
There it is. Yeah.
There's his mouth and his head goes like...
Like there's one tiny teeth head thing and his
It looks totally like...
dinosaur head.
Yeah. There could be a witchetty grub under that rock there. Why don't you try and catch a witchetty grub?
Pies, would you like an apple?
Yum.
You eat one. Let's go.
Here you go, witchetty grub.
That's a rape. Let's go for a walk. Yay, I got it in!
So that's the end of our trek, and if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you for our other videos. See you guys.
Bye!